Okay, so example number 3. In example number 3, find the exact value of tangent 78 minus tangent 18 plus over 1 plus tangent 78 tangent 18. So, in this type of question, we have only 3 formulas. The first formula is sine a plus b or a minus b. Second formula is cosine a plus b a minus b. And then the third formula is tangent a plus b a minus b. So, to visualize it, so this is the formula. Now, since the question is tangent, so you will focus only in tangent. So, tangent a plus is the same as plus in the given identities. If that is minus, the numerator is minus also. And then opposite sign in the denominator. So if we will go back to the question, tangent 78 minus tangent 18. So the formula for tangent is tangent a minus b over, not only b, which is tangent b. Tangent a minus tangent b over 1 plus, if this is plus, then the denominator will be minus. Tangent a plus times tangent b is equals to tangent a minus b. Okay? So let us check what is the value of a here. So the value of a, so as you can see here, this is a. And then this is b. This is a, this is b. If we will go back to our formula, this is a, this is b. Denominator, a and b. So what will be the value of a? So a is 78. You're correct. So tangent 78 minus. Then what is the value of b? B is 18. Okay, so I wish you understand. Now, after this question, what are you going to do? You will just subtract it. So we have tangent 78 minus 18 is 60. So I will just write this as tangent 60. Since tangent 60 is a special angle, you can still simplify it. So tangent 60 is equals to the square root of 3. And this is the final answer. Next, let's proceed in letter B, same example. So sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. So what formula is this? So therefore, the formula that you will use is sine A. If this is addition, same. This will be addition. So the formula of sine A plus B is sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. What is A here? So this is your A. And then this is your B. This is your A. This is your B. So A is pi over 3. So sine pi over 3. And what is B? B is pi over 4. Plus pi over 4. So what is sine pi over 3 plus pi over 4? So simplify this. So this is equals to sine 7 pi over 12. Now, is 7 pi over 12 is a special angle? This is not a special angle. So this is the final answer. So next example is the same example, but that is letter C. Again, this is sine, cosine, cosine, sine. So the formula that you will use is sine A, but this is subtraction, so minus B. Let us substitute. Sine, what is A? A is 7 pi over 6 minus, what is B? So this is A, and then this is B. A, B. So B is pi over 6. So sine, what is 7 pi minus pi is 2 pi over 6. Let us simplify more. So sine pi over 3. So what is sine pi over 3? Sine pi over 3 is equals to the square root of 3 over 2. Remember that if you will use your calculator, if the given is pi, if the given is pi, your calculator, should be in radian mode. Okay, so how are you going to press your calculator in radian mode? Press shift, then mode. But in other calculator, so make sure that you know how to manipulate your calculator. But in some calculator, you can just press shift, then mode. Okay, let's proceed in example number 4. In example number 4, write cosine times arc sine the square root of 3 over 2 plus arc cosine x. So let us just rewrite the question and make it in simplest form. Make this arc cosine as inverse of cosine. They are the same. So solution. So cosine bracket inverse of sine the square root of 3 over 2 plus arc cosine is inverse of cosine x. Okay, now, what formula do you think that you will use? So everything here is your A. And everything here is the value of B. So the formula is cosine A plus B. Okay, next. So let us rewrite the formula. So cosine A, cosine B. This is plus, so this will be minus sine A, sine B. Okay, next. Let us substitute. But before we substitute, let us solve first if we can solve the value of A and B. Is A solvable? Yes, A can be solved as sine inverse of sine the square root of 3 over 2. So what is sine the square root of 3 over 2? So A is equals to, what is inverse of sine the square root of 3 over 2? So shift, sine. If you will press your calculator, shift, then look for the sine and press square root of 3 over